G'day guys, how are yous? Welcome to Bobber 400. And look at the state she's going around in. Yep. Get off your phone, you fucking idiot. Fuck's sake. You alright? I got your tow bar. Oh, you didn't see? I hit your tow bar. Yeah. Fuck, I've got sore balls now. Alright, let's go a little bit further back. Alright, let's go a little bit further back now. Oh, fucking lefties. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck. That's a bit sore. Oh. Fuck, what just happened, man? Fuck, it took me just a second, obviously. Yep. Boom! Next thing you know, we're stopping on their tow bar. Pull your skirt down, love. Oh, fucking. Oh, I need to stretch my fucking legs, I think. I'm going to pull in here. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fucking hell. I need to walk this out a bit. Oh, shit. Oh, you still there, mate? Oh, fuck. Feels like he's in me guts. Not a lifty. Oh, come on, guys. You know what I'm going through. Oh, yeah. Come on, shake it out. Oh, fucking hell. We ready? Okay, let's try not to do that again. In the end, the third time, I think it was. Oh, don't do this, idiot. We've got a camera, mate, on you. You know when there's a motorbike filtering, you're supposed to give way then. Read your law books. Read your books, buddy.
Plus you were on the wrong lane, you were in this lane, you were straight out of the lane.
What are you talking about? It's a filter. Like now, it's a filter.
Pushing in, not filtering.
It's called filtering.
Right.
And don't get upset, buddy. Alright, just...
I'm not upset, you're upset.
Yeah, but you're going to hurt somebody.
No.
You have a good day, alright?
You too. Bloody wrong.
was shaking, he was nervous. He was not in control of his right mind or his wits, or he couldn't even talk hardly.